Satyanarayana from Green Loops, Malaysia. No, it's more than sustainable aviation fuel is the world's need today, right? So we have, whether you like it or not, as per the IOTA and ICAO, there is aviation fuel blend with the green aviation is very much required today. So on this regard, there is mainly four technologies are available in the world, and which is having the capex and opex difference of 1 into 4x. So you need to choose the right technology to make sure that the viability of the project is taking place. So that's where we talked to the ministry, told that there is a committee need to be formed with all the PSUs who can give a right, select the technology and make sure that it is viable, and it's going to be, SIF is going to be India's hub where whole Asia, which we can provide a green technology. I mean, the raw material is going to be the UCO oil or agriculture waste. So even the farmers can be, encouraged to get this one, and the revenues will be better for them, the local jobs. It's all we have proved in sustainable aviation ethanol to make the 20%, no, India, similar way which we can do it in SAF also. That's it for now. I'm from Malaysia, actually basically from India, but settled in Malaysia making a green fuels, which is biodiesel. Now we change it from biodiesel to aviation fuel. The similar project which we are planning to put it in UP. It's a huge 3,500 crores budget. Hopefully, this will give a better solution for the SAF